Good day, guys. Welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys about scale diagrams, reductions, and how to find scale factors. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it, guys. Now, before we go ahead and find the scale factors, let's understand what do we mean by a scale diagram and a reduction. So let's say I have an original diagram that looks like this. The reduction of this original diagram will look something like this. And that is what we call a scale diagram. And when we talk about scale diagram, one thing that always comes into mind is what we call the scale factor. Now, you guys might be wondering what we mean by scale factor. So the scale factor is the relationship between the matching sides of the scale diagram and its original picture. All right, guys. And of course, it comes with a formula. The scale factor is equal to the length of the scale diagram divided by the length of the original diagram. All right, guys. Now let's take this understanding and solve few questions. Now, if we take a look at question number 1, we see that the scale diagram is smaller than the original diagram. And when a scale diagram is smaller than the original diagram, we know that it is a reduction. All right, guys. And in order for us to find the scale factor, what we are going to do is we are going to take the diameter of the scale diagram and divide it by the diameter of the original picture. All right, guys. Now, if we take a look at it, the diameter of the scale diagram is 4 boxes and the diameter of the original diagram is 10 boxes. Therefore, the scale factor is equal to 0.4. And what this means is that the scale diagram is 0.4 times its original diagram. All right, guys. Now let's go to question number 2. Again, as you can see, the scale diagram is smaller than its original diagram. Therefore, it will be a reduction. And in order for us to find the scale factor, we are going to take the length of the scale diagram and divide it by the length of the original diagram. All right, guys. Now, if you take a look at the length of the scale diagram, we see it is 3 boxes and the length of the original diagram, as you can see, is 12 boxes. And if we simplify this, we have 1/4, right, guys? So therefore, the scale factor is equal to 0.25. Again, what it means is the scale diagram has become the size of 1/4 of that of its original diagram. And that is what we mean by scale diagrams, reduction, and how to find scale factor, guys. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.